Something I do each day that contributes to my success is I meditate, but not traditional meditation. I take moments at street lights, between meetings, between conversations, sometimes in conversations, if it's a light enough conversation, and I just step into my own soul. I think the whole purpose of life is to become reasonably comfortable in your own skin. I don't think a lot of people are very comfortable in their own skin. And so I spend a lot of time in conversation with my inner self. Not my brand, not my reputation, not my Instagram image. Me, the real me. And it's a calming effect that I cannot describe, but I walk through life sort of consciously oblivious of most things around me because most things just don't matter. It's a lot of noise around you, and you can't create genius in noise. A patent is a monetized idea. You need quiet in your head to create. So I create quiet spaces in my head all the time. I work out 15 minutes a day. That gets me going in the morning. And at night I watch something silly, like a YouTube video, something, or just something that makes me laugh, or something that's not tied to my business. I read a book, but every night I give myself a bit of a resort experience of stepping out of my space and into my own private place. Those are things that come to mind that renew me.